beauties, so before we jump right into the video, I want to show you something quick. If you think that I talk too fast or too slow, there is a option. You guys want to click those three dots and you guys want to go to where it says playback speed, and you can make my video to go faster or slower, however you speed prefer. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a different makeup. Today I'm going to be doing blue eyeshadow. Yes, blue. Never ever wear blue eyeshadow, but today I decided to go out of my comfort zone. So please pray for me, guys. And if you guys are ready to see this video, well, keep on watching. Alright beauties, so first I have my cheat sheet here because this is the look that I'm going to be creating. I saw it on a YouTube video. So basically what I'm going to do while I'm doing my makeup, I'm going to be playing it on this and I'm going to just follow step by step. I will show you what I want to get, the video. Alright. Hey guys, so today we're first. Alright, so I'm going to be recreating this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it really good, but I will try to put a picture right here so you guys will see what I'm trying to create. And I'm going to be doing my makeup and I'm going to be playing the video, so it's just going to be easier for me because I never played with blue before. Well, I had once and it looked horrible. Alright, so first I'm going to be using my shadow shield. I got this at Wish. There are like $1 for like 20 and they're amazing. So now that I have that, I'm going to be playing the video, so I hope it turns out good. So first I am going to be applying concealer and I'm going to be going for a really light shade. For today I am going to be using, if I can find it, so I am going to be using this Makeup Revolution concealer. This is on the color C2 and this is almost white, but I am going to apply a lighter one so I can get that really intense colors. I'm going to be using my finger to blend it. Alright, so now that I have my eyes primed, I am going to go with my, this is the NYX palette. This is the Bright palette, I think it's called, and I am going to be using this color right here. I'm going to be applying it with my G13 from Morphe. So what I'm going to do, I am going to apply it also my transition shade. So I'm going to be using my Morphe 3330. My Morphe 330. This is a clean brush, so I'm going to be blending on the edge. Just take your time because blue is not an easy color, so just take your time. I'm just going back and forth with it. Okay, I'm going to go back with my G13 and I'm just going to add a little bit more color. Alright, and I'm trying to leave a blank space right here in the middle of my lid. Alright, and one thing I want to tell you guys about shadows, blue shadows are like, there's some that when you blend it, they blend to a green tone. But this one, it is doing that. So I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I hope it works. So now I'm going to be using this Kat Von D palette. It's called Metal. And I am going to be grabbing this bright blue right here. This is in the color Velour. And with a flat brush like this, I am going to be applying it on my outer V. I'm going to do it, bringing it all the way into my inner corner. Remember to still try to leave that gap over there. I'm going to go back with the light blue and add a little bit more of it, just to really blend that. So now I'm going to be going back with the Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this dark, this black right here, and this is on the color Jet. And I am going to use this Eco Tool brush that looks like this, and I am just going to be applying it in the outer V and the inner V. Alright, now I'm going to go back with the blue, and I'm just going to add a little bit more because I think whenever I put the black, like it took the dark blue away. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of that blue. Because I don't think it looks really like, I mean, it looks pretty, but I think I can do like a little bit more blue to it. So I am going to grab this color right here, and this is in the color Nebula, I think this is called, and really metallic blue. I'm going to be applying that where we applied the black. And remember, if you guys want to add more, if you guys wanted to look more bold, you also can spray some setting spray. Oh yeah, that is way pretty. So now that I have applied my eyeshadow, I am going to be cutting my crease. And for that, I am going to be using a flat brush like this and my concealer. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to do like a V. So let's do this right there. It's not perfect, but I try my best to do it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using this glitter right here. I have this one that is a pinkish unicorn color. I have this blue one, and I have this silver one, and I'm going to mix all of them, and I'm going to be applying it on there. Alright, here I'm applying some glitter glue from NYX. So pretty. To use my finger to like pat more. Look how pretty this is. Oh my god, yes. Okay. Now I'm going to go back with the blue, this one that we used, and I'm going to be like applying it on to blend that really well. I am going to be using this tiny brush just because to get that blue right here between the glitter. Now I'm going to go back with this shadow, this one right here, because I think it's not blended enough. So it should be looking like this. Now I'm going to go do my other eye out of camera, and I'll be right back. Alright beauties, sorry I'm hopping it right now while I'm doing this eye, and I want to tell you something that I just noticed, that it doesn't look, whenever I apply the concealer and the glitter, it doesn't look really blended. So I decided to go with this color right here. This is like a pink, not pink, like a mint green color. And what I'm going to do, I am going to be applying it in between the concealer and the light blue shadow that we're going to be applying. This is just going to blend it super good. And then let me go finish this eye, and I'll be right back. Alright beauties, so I did my other eye, and I tried my best to look as similar as possible. So now it's time to take this lid off. Oh my goodness! Oh my god. Let me see closer. Alright, oh my goodness, it looks so good. Well, to me. I'm going to be cleaning the bottom of my eyes with a makeup remover. Alright, so now I cleaned the bottom and I messed up over here, but I am going to fix it. Okay, and to be honest, I never thought in my entire life I will be so proud of me of doing this color. Because I know a lot of people won't like it, but it's such a hard look. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding a little bit of black liner just so I can put my falsies on. Doing the liner as close as my eyelash line. I'm going to go finish my foundation and all that jazz. So in 3, oh, that's 3. In 3, 2, 1. Alright, beauties, so this is the final look. I felt like it's too much. I don't know if it's too much or not, but see how it looks. And I am in love, I think. Like, I've never done something this crazy in my eyes, but I like it. I like it. Obviously, not for an everyday look, but of course, yeah, you know, to have fun or if you have a event, I think it looks super glam. And I also put some nude lips because I think that complements the makeup really, really good. Oh my god, I cannot stop looking at me. This is amazing. I am in love. I am in love with this look. What do you guys think? Well, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not ready yet. And don't forget to hit that notification bell button down below so it will notify you whenever I upload new videos. And of course, beauties, I will see you in my next one. Bye!